We're doing a tailgate collaboration hosted by our good friends over there at Just Cook the Damn Food. Yeah, it's tailgating. Tailgating life. Hashtag tailgating life. And this is what we're doing. So when I think about tailgating, I think about kind of like the way we do things, PoorGuy style, easy, convenient, portable. This is what I'm doing today. I got this set up. You know why? Because you can just, I don't have a pickup truck. I can fit this right in my little Toyota. All this stuff. Look at, we're using the Blue Hogs char logs today. Why? Because I got them. Pause. It paused, but I'm not deleting that. Tumbleweeds went everywhere. I got a tumbleweed in here. So, do I? Nope. And in the process of this whole blunder to start the video, I dropped my beer. Look at, whoop. That's right, I got more. So this is my expert grill from Walmart, because I am an expert griller. This is the rotisserie, and it's a versatile little unit. Yeah, I can use this as a grill, so that's what I'm doing. So let's get some of this charcoal, this chimney. So what I'm thinking with this here, right? Okay, no problem. You can just bring this stuff if you got a little car. I don't know how to work. I don't know. Put the tumbleweed in the wrong spot. Okay, I've only had half a beer so far, people, so don't judge me. Where's my lighter? There it is. So prepared, so prepared. Let's start this little tumbleweed up. All right. So I'm not really talking about what I'm cooking yet. This isn't tailgating, this is patiogating. But, so yeah. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get this going, and then we're going to go in the house, and I'll show you what we're actually going to be preparing on this fancy little $75 rotisserie, which is now a charcoal grill. Yeah, hashtag tailgating life. Just cook the damn food. All right. Thought I had something else to say. Oh, hey, here's something, right? So it's all about tailgating. So here, I got a question. So if somebody really rich, you know, like Elon Musk or Donald Trump or Joe Biden was going to give you, like, say, $1,000, right? $1,000. Here you go. Here's $1,000, but you can only use it for tailgating and the game of your choice, right? For everybody, all my viewers, anyone that's watching, here's $1,000 from one of those rich people. Where would you go? What game would you go to? What part of the world? Football, soccer, lacrosse, tailgated gymnastics? I don't know. What would you do? They got a comment. What would you do if you could pick anywhere in the world? If somebody gave you $1,000 for tailgate and pay for your tickets and all that, I'm curious. What would I do? I'd go see the Jets play. East Rutherford, New Jersey. Oh, Don, why are you making that? Don would go to see Seattle Seahawks, maybe. That's right. Tori? I don't know what Tori would do. She'll have to think about that. Let's get this charcoal warmed up, and then we'll show you what we're going to cook. Peace. Homemade chili. That's what we're starting with. Going to pop it on there and warm it up. And then we're going to add something to that chili. Wait till you see. While this chili's getting warmed up, I'm going to get the rest of the ingredients prepared for your viewing pleasure. Huh, honey? Peace. Have you guys seen these? These are cheddar little smokies. I thought about just getting the beef ones, but I was like, these got cheddar. So I got a couple of these. I'm going to cook these right on here. I'm going to cook these little things right on there. It's going to take a while, but it'll be all right. And I'm going to add it to the chili. And then I'm going to put some cheese on it, and we're going to eat it. That's going to be your tailgating recipe. PoorGuy style. Simple, easy, inexpensive leftover chili. Let's get these going. Peace. Look at this deal. You thought I was going to stick them all on the grill. Fooled ya. Look at this thing right here. It's a grilling basket. I actually got this free. I'm so good at my job that I acquired all these points and I forgot about them, and I was like, what can I get? And they got, you know, like a catalog. I was like, okay, it's free. Those are those little smokies, they call them, cheddar inside, I guess, mixed in there. We're going to take that, put it in there. That's going to be your tailgating meal, PoorGuy style, easy, inexpensive. And we're going to put some cheese on there too. Here you go. Typical PoorGuy style tailgating, patiogating in our case. These little cheddar, what do we call them? Little smokies. Some leftover chili, some cheddar cheese, and some mustard. Cheers, everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, that's freaking good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good stuff. Mm. That's the way I look at tailgating. Inexpensive, portable, easy to do when you're at the game. Hashtag tailgating life. Thanks to Just Cook the Damn Food, our boys over there. This was fun. That's all I got. Go Jets. Peace.